Frustrated with the Zenprint Library DLL pop-up blocking localized print orchestration? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. To start fixing Zenprint Library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Zenprint Library, frequently associated with specialized receipt printing or industrial label software. It manages the localized printer escape sequences. If missing, the software will hang during the printing phase or report a driver module not found, preventing any physical output to the connected printer. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The presence of Zenprint Library DLL is required for the localized print orchestration engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Zenprint library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Zenprint Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Zenprint Library. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Zenprint Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support,